Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to insert Dropdown in Google Docs on computer. So how to insert Dropdown in Google Docs on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Google Docs on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display of the Google Docs work page. To add, just point the cursor to the top of the screen. Here there are several menu options. Tap this Insert menu. Here there are several menu options. Tap the drop-down menu. Here a menu like this will appear. Tap the Create drop-down menu. And an input menu like this will appear. For the title section, enter it by typing here. For the contents, type here. And you can change the color here. Next, for the contents, type here. And you can change the color here. To delete the option, tap the trash icon like this. And if you want to add an option, tap Add option here. For the contents, type here. And you can change the color here. Next, after finish, tap Save. So that's it, tutorial how to insert Dropdown in Google Docs on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.